Hello all, welcome to our channel. In the series of Constitution of India, as we are looking into fundamental duties and its legal status, today we are going to look up into legal status of fundamental duties. So the fundamental duties have been incorporated into Constitution to remind every citizen that they should not only be conscious of their rights but also their duties. The fundamental rights in Part 3, the directive principles of state policy in Part 4, and the fundamental duties in part 4 forms a compendium and have to be read together. It is true that there is no legal sanction provided for violation or non-performance of fundamental duties. There is neither specific provision for enforceability nor any specific prohibition. However, fundamental duties have been an inherent element of compulsion regarding compliance. It is said that by their nature it is not practicable to enforce the fundamental duties and they must be left to the will and aspiration of citizens. However, in the case of citizens holding public offices, each and all fundamental duties can be enforced by suitable legislation and departmental rules of conduct. Appropriate sanctions can be provided for the lapse in respect of every fundamental duty, and it is quite practicable to enforce the sanction against every citizen holding in a public office. For instance, departmental promotions can be deferred, increments can be withheld, etc. If the officer takes part in a strike or stalls the proceeding of his institution, he can be made to forego the salary for that day. For the proper enforcement of duties, it is necessary that it should be known to all. This should be done by a systematic and intensive education of people, that is publicly or by making it a part of education. In MC Mehta versus Union of India, the Supreme Court has held under the Article 51A(g) it is the duty of the central government to introduce compulsory teaching of lessons at least for 1 hour in a week on protection and improvement of natural environment in all educational institutes of the country. In Ames Student Union versus Ames, the Supreme Court said that the fundamental duties are equally important like fundamental rights. The legal utility of fundamental duties is similar to that of the directives. While the directives are addressed to the state, so are the duties addressed to the citizens without any legal sanction for their violation. The citizen should keep in mind that he owns the duty specified in Article 51A to the state, and if he does not care for the duties, he does not deserve the rights. Of course, the duties as such are not legally enforceable in the courts of law, but if a law has been made to prohibit any act of conduct in violation of duties, it should be reasonable restriction on the relevant fundamental rights. However, the fundamental duties are not enforceable by mandamus or any other legal remedy. Since the fundamental duties are not addressed to the state, a citizen cannot claim that he must be properly equipped by state so that he may perform his duties under Article 51A. So this was all about fundamental duties and its legal status. Please stay tuned to more such content to our channel. Also do like, share and subscribe our channel. Please press the bell button to get the latest notification to our videos. Thank you.